Good morning, everyone.
We are here at Katipunan National High School to interview Sir Virgilio Andalao about what is Brigada
Brigada
Eskwela.
Eskwela.
Okay, good morning, sir. So, among kuan karon sir is about sa Brigada Eskwela. So, first question is, how does your school prepare for Brigada Eskwela each year?
Our school every year get into a consultative meeting with the faculty and staff together with the selected stakeholder. During that consultative meeting, the presentation of a task and planning and tasking will be discussed during the meeting. So when the specific goals has been deliberated, working committees will be followed. So in assigning the working committees, that will set with the planning and objectives. So pinaka-importante that Brigada Eskwela should have specific objectives. Then plan of action will follow, will connect. Then persons involved in making the task and the source of fund. So probably lahat ng different agencies will be involved because we will be inviting personnel from the Bureau of Fire, LGU, PSWD, business sector, the non-government organization, the religious sector, KTA, group of students, fraternities, where they commit themselves to volunteer to help in fixing and cleaning the school campus ready for the opening of classes. So during that time, we are required to produce also our Brigada Eskwela uniform t-shirt in order that we will be recognized by visitors and other stakeholders that we are the faculty of Katipunan National High School, because every day iba-iba ang mag-volunteer dito to perform task. Ngayon, iba ang committee sa i-avoid man yung mga solicitation. Pero may mga institution na mag-commit na mag-unit, particularly sa mga bangko, mga lending institution. So, ilang po na accomplishment, mag-unit sila, para bang mura pong nila boosting the teachers na para magsikat, para dito sila mag-loan. So, para po ang relationship ma-maintain. Ngayon, mag-donate sila. So, dagan-dagan po na mag-donate dito sa eskwelahan mo. Mga sasas, pen, brass, mga iba't ibang mga bagay na magagamit during the 1 week, the whole week. Clean up drive, daghan. So iba-iba, araw-araw iba-iba ang teacher naka-assign sa attendance. And naka-specify yung attendance, yung volunteer, yung time niya nag-start siya, yung sa iya ang lecture report ang buha, kinsay nag-assist niya na teacher, nag-assist niya. Palung yun, pintal ba, repairs, nag-repair magbangko. And mind you, document na ang the teacher na in charge na nag-document na, then this part of our Brigada Eskwela report to the division national office. then we are required to have the narrative report with documentation. So yung Brigada Eskwela para na rin ang contest. So yung marami kang nagawa, may mga criteria of school ba na contest na siya. Na nahimo kang nagdagan ka na yung project, dagan ka mo din. Yan yung mga criteria na mo qualify sila i-proclaim kang winner. So dahil hindi naman siguro malaki ang school, malaki ang maintenance na dapat i-fix na ng teacher. We're in the classroom, the facility, the school ground is ready for the opening classes. So mga estudyante rin, before we accepted them for approve their enrollment form, kinakailangan mag-brigada eskwela, tasking, mag-multitasking. Anong naman gawa? Either, 2 to 3 hours na mag-render. Okay na yan, araw-araw, iba-iba naman. So, the very interesting part of Brigada Eskwela is yung bayanihan system ng mga Pinoy na they are willing to help. Happy rin sila na ang classroom, school environment is conducive for learning for the learners. Yun ang pinaka interesting part of the objectives of the Brigada Eskwela. Maintaining the relationship between the stakeholder, the local government unit, barangay official, dahil nagtutulungan bayanihan. So sa mga different agencies rin, yung magbrigada sila, mag-wear po sila ng ilang uniforms ng agency. Yung Bureau of Fire, mag-donate sila ng tubig. Spread ng tubig, paaga sa mga tanong, feeding sa mga kuwan. Then sa mga PNP, mag-pinatay, yung mga fraternity, pinatay po sila. Yung mga sambot ng baon, sila. So, 1 week before the classes, ngayon ay kuwan na. Ngayon is July 19 ang opening the classes. So, 19. Nalero, do you want to see my timeline din sa buwan? Schedule sa Brigada Eskwela kailan?
July 28 to 27.
July 22 to 27. July 29 eh. July 29 ang opening the classes.
Start of
Last week na nila sa mga estudyante.
ayun, ang end of school year din is
Last week na nila ron. Ang among exam is 16, 17. So after that, practice na sila.
Pero pagka-graduate.
Graduation. So naunahan kami sa inyo. Nakauna ka mag-book sa gym. Kami naulahi. Dili na kita kami. Graduation man to.
Sa mga
Pag
college.
moving up, mission. Ang mga college, naunahan man yung book sa gym.
Sa gym na rin sila bakuan.
So, di nung gila sa sugot, hindi sila gym, di kami na lang give way na kasi. Dali na lang ni sa bangko.
Then, sir, what are the challenges that you encounter in organizing Brigada Eskwela and how you address it?
The most challenging part in organizing the eskwela is to make your leadership skill. Kailangan yung leadership skill, how you communicate people, your stakeholder, how to convince them to give their support. Then, kailangan yung maintaining relationship. Kailangan i-accumulate din mo, i-entertain, i-acknowledge. Para next time, when we are asking them their assistance, their support, hindi sila mag-bubos ng support. Ganon din. Ganon din sa isang relationship. Parents, ng kapatid mo, you are studying, kailangan yung relationship para yung support nila.
niliwalis na.
Dili ka maggawa sa mga negative mga thoughts, negative remarks, negative man o positive man ang ilang ipakita nga suporta. Una, ater mo negative. Be positive, positivity, enhance positivity. Kay once we have spoken the negative, malayo mo na sila.
Sir, what if, sir, ang estudyante, dili siya mag-brigada eskwela, dili siya ma-enroll, sir?
Hindi na siya optional. But as long as we encourage them to participate in Brigada Eskwela, because i-document din siya. It doesn't mean nga,
Kaya dili mo
well,
lang
hindi, brigada din, you know,
dili to eskwela sa
encouragement lang. Or give them to extend their support.
sa right